USA, 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 United States, USA, stand up, USA, stand up, all states in USA, United States, all their base, home and in abroad, all USA, human, all that support USA, their citizens, their residents living in USA, USA legislation, executive, judicial, all USA workers, USA, United States, like a country, and like a world power, a world power forever and ever, and world power turning to United States from generation, moving us forward. USA, 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 stand up. Mama Obi's mama, Jerafia, went to market, got mango, bought mango like the fruit. Obi J Ilego, Obi went and stole money, got chewing gum, and bought chewing gum for himself. Chewing gum. How many chewing gum do you want to eat? You, Sanko, how many chewing gum do you want to eat? Sanko, one chewing gum. One. So you are out of this game. Hey! Sanko FM is out of this game. Peter is out of this game. USA, 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 USA. Okuku, Calabash energies. Okuku, Calabash energies. And Akaotule, Akaotule, Opo, power, authorities, manifestation. Eze, Eze, King, Eze King, USA, United States of America, USA, technologies, energies, stand up, and skyrocketed. All my prayers in the past, in the future, all the Okuku Calabash energies, all the Okuku Calabash energies, other Okuku Calabash energies, Akaotule offer, power, authorities, manifestation, Ochi, Arobunago, Ikenga, Okike, Ojija, and Onina, Chi, spirit guide, Arobunago, power of man, males, like energy. Agua Arobunago, power of females. Ikenga, spiritual forces of men, males, like energies. Akuku, spiritual forces of females, like energy. Okike, spirit creators. Ojija and Onina, going out, going and coming back routes, like energy, both physical and spiritual come together. All Arobunago, Ikenga, Okuku Calabash energies, all healing herbs, all healing trees, Ebenebe tree, Iroko tree, origin, Apple tree, all the healing trees, Ngwu tree, come together, the energies, we capture them, bring them together. Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, Uriel, spirit, fire, earth, air, water, Udo, Budo, red, ngene bụ ngene, green, arrow bụ arrow, yellow, ogugu bụ ogugu, blue, water, ejitose, akose, male and female, red, ejitete, akete, male and female, green, ijitora, akora, male and female, yellow, ijitobi, akobi, male and female, blue. They are all energies. All the ocean, all the seas, black seas, EOG, all the energies. Orimiruwa, worldwide ocean. Orimiri, all the ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, all the oceans, all the seas, all the waters. Etobi, Ndimili, all water elements, all 7 Gs. All the energies, all the Obu house males, all the Mpuke house kitchen. Put all males into USA males, into Obu house males. Put their females into Mpuke house, house females. And continue to move United States forward. Odira Atonoba, Akaotule, Ora Atonoba, Umuabo and Umuada. Married and single women, both physical and spiritual. Atonoba Okala, Odira Atonoba Okala, Ijito Odi, night, all the energies come together. Odira, fathers, Ugorinkana, Okalora, Agarinkana, Agalina, Odira, all the energies come together. Nguneriago, Nganago, tiger god, my ancestor tiger god, Nganago, green, come, all the energies come together. All the energies come together to answer USA, to answer Okuku Calabash energies. And Akaotule of power, authorities, manifestation. Eze in Igbo means king. Eze king. USA, United States, USA, technologies, energies, stand up and skyrocketed. All negative pitch in USA, I cover all of them, level all floor, wipe out all shame. Pull out all arrows, unblock USA, move USA forward. All they are dead. I bury them according to tradition. All rise, get up, move into house 7 and reincarnate and come back. All they are same, past, present, future, and the ones they will do in the future. Because no one is perfect. If you say you are perfect, come, let's see. Nobody is perfect. No one is perfect. And all uncleanliness and reincarnator sin in USA. I cleanse wipe out on all Chuku justices. Aja na Chuku, Akodi, Akobala, Aja and Ukwu, Aja and higher and lower justices, worldwide justices, justices, all Supreme Court justices. Cleanse and wipe them off there. Unblock USA. All angers rising against United States. Physical and spiritual negative energies. I use 2233 on cooked eggs. Still, calm and terminate all of them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goats, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, orange, sugar, pepper soup. All natural disasters. All problems, all emergencies, health emergencies, psychiatric emergencies, all negativities against USA and disease in the body or virus in any way. I use them and 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors. Cast all of them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and I energize all. We use water, boil eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good. Cigarette, weed, beer, wine, fruits. To welcome this prayer, their energies, their power, authorities, manifestation. Stand firm and moving forward into our body foundation, science and technologies. And all the healing herbs, all healing trees, welcome their energies into our body foundation, science and technologies, USA, USA supporters, all good countries that support them, welcome them into our body and heal us and make us stand firm. No going down, no going down. We stand firm and skyrocket. USA, all the prayers come. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, heaven, earth, all places, all foundation, ports. Transfer to all foundation, all states in USA, USA based here and in abroad, to their troops, all their science and technologies. Transfer to USA, transfer to Serenity Cooperative Care, transfer to them into their school, USA schools, research, all transfer. So Maribi, he say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA, and in Carson, somewhere in North Chicago Street, chilling in Serenity Cooperative Care. Very happy there. Moving all forward. USA, stand up, transfer to White House, transfer to all states in USA, transfer to USA, Californian government, LA County, Carson City, all transfer to their Senate, House, all justices, individual homes, roads, beaches, museums, parks, transfer to Stevenson Park in Carson, transfer to all for free. So Moribi, he say, USA. When I come into your presence, I'm so happy. When I come into your house, I'm so glad. In your presence, there is anointing. Spirit moves around it. In your presence, anointing breaks the yoke. Lord, save us. Lord, save us while we are awake. Protect us while we are asleep, that we may keep on walk with Christ when we sing praises. Forward. Good night. Cheers.